This video could change your life, or the life of somebody you love. I wasn't expecting to hear the words, "You have cancer," but that's exactly what happened. 2 years ago, a routine mammogram revealed something that would completely alter my world forever. My results came back with something suspicious, calcifications, and I was advised to get an MRI and then a biopsy. A few days later, I got the call that I had ductal carcinoma in situ, or DCIS for short. It is a stage 0 breast cancer, meaning it hadn't spread yet, but it was high grade. DCIS is contained within the milk ducts, but there's no way of knowing whose cancer will stay put and whose might spread. The uncertainty is terrifying. I've lived with anxiety for most of my life, so making a decision about what to do next, whether to have surgery or a lumpectomy, was overwhelming. While I was grappling with this decision, my sister decided to get her mammogram early because of my diagnosis. They didn't even let her start with a mammogram. They went straight to an MRI because of the high risk. That MRI saved her life. My sister was diagnosed with invasive ductal carcinoma, or IDC, which had already spread. To make things worse, her cancer was triple negative, a type that's harder to treat because it doesn't respond to hormone therapy. She's been through chemotherapy, lumpectomy, radiation, and immunotherapy, and she's still fighting. Both my sister and I tested negative for the BRCA2 gene, and breast cancer doesn't even run in our family. But cancer doesn't care about that. And after hearing my sister's diagnosis, I decided to take the most aggressive route, and I had a double or bilateral mastectomy. It wasn't an easy decision, and my journey isn't over. I'm still considering reconstruction, and it's a choice I'm taking my time with. I was going to wait until October to share this story, but waiting seems silly and ironic. Breast cancer awareness shouldn't be confined to just 1 month. We need to advocate all year round. My message to you is simple. Breast cancer can kill, especially if it's not caught early. If you have dense breasts or a history of cysts like I did, don't just rely on mammograms, ask for an MRI. My sister's mammogram didn't pick up on her metastasized cancer, but the MRI did. Some women could be living with cancer, thinking they're in the clear, only to find out too late that they're not. This soap is more than just a product. It's a way to give back. I'm making this small batch of breast cancer awareness soap, and it will be available near the end of September in my Etsy shop. All proceeds will go to a fundraising page I've set up on the Memorial Sloan Kettering Foundation site. It's where my sister is receiving her treatment and where I may go for my reconstruction if I decide that's right for me. Links to the soap and the recipe are in the description. And I thank you for watching. Please get screened. It could save your life.